Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the latest Minix Neo N42C-4. It is their latest mini PC, which comes with the Windows 10 Pro Edition. This comes with 4GB of internal RAM and also comes with 32GB internal storage. That's not the only part. Yes, it is expandable. We will get to it in a few seconds. You can see that the unit itself is coming inside of a nice blue box. Once we open it, the components that are part of this is the mini PC itself. Also comes with a power adapter, which is 12 volt. Again, this is a universal power supply, which you can see it has little connectors. You can connect it anywhere in the world you are, and also comes with a HDMI cable, and this way you can connect it to your monitor, and we will get to that too because there's more to it. And also it comes with a user manual. The user manual is very simple and just tells you how to connect it and a little parts on what each component means. It also comes with a little connector, so this way you can put the unit in the back of your monitor, and this way you do not see the box whatsoever. Alright, so we're going to put that aside and let's just get this connected. So once you are connected to the TV, once you go to About, you can see that this is Windows 10 Pro Edition, and if you look a little bit in the bottom part of it, it does talk about 4GB of RAM, and yes, that is expandable. That's not the only thing, and once you get out of that, so the unit itself, the connection around it, in the front you don't see anything, but once you go to the right side of it, it has a lot of holes for ventilation. You do have a little hole for resetting. Going in the back part of it, from the right hand side, you have the power connection, which intakes 12 volt. Right beside that you have the gigabit LAN. Right beside that you have the mini DP port. Also you have HDMI 1.4, and right beside that you have the USB Type-C connection. Now this connection not only going to use for daily uses, so you can connect your USBs to it or external hard drives to this, but you can also use this for your display. And yes, it takes power in and also it takes power out. That means is you can connect only that USB Type-C to a monitor, and that monitor will provide the feedback into it so that we can power up, and also it displays back on the screen. Gotta let you know one thing, that there's no sound out of this by using that connection. Right beside that you have the audio jack, and yes, it does come with a little connector, so you can change that into a optical audio, and yes, it would work really good. Going on the other side of it, you have 3 USB 3.0 connection, and then you do have the power button. Going in the bottom part of it, there's no holes for ventilation, but you do have the little legs so you can stand up, and that's where you're going to open, so that way you can upgrade your PC. Yes, this is upgradable. Alright, so right now we showed you that this comes only with 4GB of RAM, but once you open the screws, as you can see right now, and you can see inside of it that it does have another connector for your RAM, and yes, you can take the other RAM out too, and you can change both of them so you can have more RAM. Yes, it comes with 4GB one slot, and you can use another one so it can go up to 8GB. You can see right now we're hooking one up, but as we noticed is the one that we have purchased is not working, so we send it through to do an exchange. Till it comes back it will be very late. So again, it does have another connector for the SSD N2 connection, so this way you can connect your hard drive to this, except that it comes with 32GB internal storage, and since you do have the USB Type-C, or you can use the USB Type-3 connection, yes, you can go next and upgrade your hard drive to as many terabyte as you want, and that's it, and it will be connected. Alright, so going through the benchmarking on this, you can see that when we went to Geekbench, we got 1548 for single core, and we got 4447 for multi-core. You have to remember that this is Apollo Lake N4200 CPU to this, and also it equips with the Intel HD Graphics 505 graphics card. You can see that under OpenCL score we got 9732, and we will get out of that too. So the next thing we did was we just tried to play a video game. This is just downloaded something from the App Store, and yes, we are just using our mouse and the keyboard itself that is connected to this, and this is a full keyboard, so yes, it is very stable to play games on it. Again, you can see the one that we're playing, the map is not that great. You can see that it is loading after it. We just get there, Alright, so we will get out of that too. So the next thing we did was we got a little bit more customized. We changed the background on this, and then we start going through some little video clips. So yes, we installed the Kodi 17.6, which is right now up to date, and we went through the network, and since we connected this through Wi-Fi, we thought, you know what, let's just go through and try to play our videos. And going through, try to play first the 4K video. You can see that there's not many pauses to this. It automatically went through and start playing. Remember that this is a 5G network that we connected to our 10100 connection to play this video. And you can see that there's no pause to it like some other Android boxes are bringing this down, and so that means is Windows running on this is like charm. And this is our 1080p video right now, just playing through. It looks very sharp and very nice. Alright, so we will get out of this too. Alright, I do not want to forget that since it comes with Mini DP, also comes with HDMI 1.4 and the USB Type-C, that means that you can connect it to 3 monitors. Yes, you can have 3 monitors at the same time. They will work just fine. I have to let you know that this is very inexpensive. Anybody wants to get one, the links will be available in the bottom. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.